Hi there, this is Belle once again, and I'm here to respond to some questions related to logo. So, some of you were asking, okay, I want to show my logo on some scenes, but in some, I just want to keep it hidden. So, I want my logo in some places, not in others kind of situation. How can we fix that? Well, to remove the logo from some scenes in particular, you just need to go here to the preview, and as you can see, I can just move things around here. So what I need to do is to move the logo from here, as you can see, whoops, just click on the logo and we'll move it out of the picture. As you can see, the logo is no longer appear on the scene, but let's see in the preview once we go to the second scene. So first scene, it's cool. Second scene, we can see the logo. So ta-da! Now you know how to remove the logo in some scenes and keep it in others. Hope this has helped and have a really nice day. Bye bye!